Hello everyone, today we'll take a look at the best OBD2 scanner in the market for 2023. I made this list based on my personal opinion, and I'll try to help you find the right one for your needs. To see the most up-to-date prices and find out more information about these OBD2 scanner, you can check out the links in the description below. Let's get started. Number 1. Innova 6100P. Helps make an amateur mechanic feel more like a professional. The Innova 6100P is the kind of OBD2 scanner that can make any amateur mechanic feel like a professional. That's certainly how we felt during our testing, anyway. This crossover device can function as both a handheld unit while also connecting to the Innova app and offering up a great variety of diagnostic and predictive abilities. The $140 Innova 6100P is all the features you would want from an amateur mechanic's OBD2 scanner. Its 2.8-inch color screen displays everything from live data to fault codes to a pre-inspection IM readiness check. It even predicts when components might fail and what repairs and parts your car may need at any given time. Reasons to buy: small and light, battery test and oil light reset, handheld with add-on app, includes repair instructions and parts options. Reasons to avoid: text-based interface, keys require purposeful pressure. Number 2. Innova CarScan Mobile 1000. One of the most innovative Bluetooth OBD2 scanners. If you're looking for a Bluetooth OBD2 module that is capable and free of setup drama, the Innova CarScan Mobile 1000 is the scanner for you. In fact, we'd go so far as to say it's the most useful Bluetooth scanner we've tested and the easiest to set up. Simply plug it in and load up Innova's pair of companion apps to get things going. Like other Innova scanners, the CarScan Mobile 1000 is able to perform a large number of diagnostic functions, as well as the ability to describe the necessary parts and repairs you might not. What's more, its predictive software can give you an idea of which components might fail and when. If that wasn't enough, the app also functions as a set of automotive gauges with a variety of presentation options. Reasons to buy: easiest Bluetooth setup, tiny transmitter, excellent phone, tablet apps, offers preventative maintenance and repair suggestions, can be used as automotive gauges. Reasons to avoid: 2 apps are separate, app has ads. Number 3. Topton Already Die 500. One of the best sub-$200 OBD2 scanner on the market. The Topton Already Die 500 straddles the line between amateur and professional users with a large color touchscreen, Wi-Fi, and an automotive health report. It looks like a rugged portable gaming console, feels like a brick, and has a 47-inch cable that won't quite reach the engine bay and won't fit into the carrying case when attached to the unit. Despite that, the Topton Already Die 500 is one of the most capable consumer-grade OBD2 scanners we've seen. It can monitor the brakes, airbags, and battery, run an IM pre-inspection test, and also display and graph live car data. The Android base unit has its own rechargeable battery and can update its own software, 2 things you don't often see on handheld scanners. It may be big and heavy, but the Topton Already Die 500 might be the best $170 a car owner can spend on an OBD2 diagnostic scanner. Reasons to buy: excellent array of diagnostic tests, Wi-Fi connectivity, rugged design with soft edges. Reasons to avoid: heavy and cumbersome, short cables. Number 4. Bosch OBD1300. The diagnostic scanner to get for older cars. The Bosch OBD1300 diagnostic scanner stands out by including cables to connect with pre-1996 Chrysler, Ford, GM, and Toyota cars. It can get heavy once the 6-foot extension cable is attached, but the OBD1300's small size hides its powerful range of abilities. Unlike many handheld diagnostic scanners, the Bosch OBD1300 doesn't get power from your car's OBD2 port. Instead, it uses AA batteries or your car's cigarette lighter to power its large color screen, which shows graphing data clearly. The scanner's database holds details on 26 million repair suggestions. It can check the anti-lock brakes and airbags on most cars released from 1996 to 2013. Monitor the charging system and battery and run a pre-inspection emissions test. You'll need to get the instruction manual from Bosch's website. With a list price of nearly $200, the Bosch OBD1300 may seem expensive until you see how many cars it can work with. It's the diagnostic scanner to get if you have an 80s or early 90s car. Reasons to buy. Comes with cables for pre-1996 vehicles. Includes repair suggestions. Can reset oil change light. Reasons to avoid. Can get heavy despite small size. No manual or quick start guide. Number 5. Foxwell N614 Elite. Like having a Nintendo Switch to diagnose your car. Foxwell's N614 Elite Diagnostic Scanner squeezes a large color screen into a small, rugged horizontal case. It's powerful and can probe many car problems, but we wish it had a touchscreen and could run on battery power. Like the similar-looking but bulkier Topton Already Die 500, the Foxwell N614 is aimed at professional mechanics as well as car owners. It can graph data, cancel the oil change light, and monitor the charging system, airbags, brakes, and transmission. 2 unique features stand out. Like a gaming keyboard, the Topton Already Die 500 has programmable keys that can be set up to do different things with different makes of cars. It also has a micro SD card slot for data storage. It may be the OBD2 scanner to have if you do a lot of work on cars from different manufacturers. Reasons to buy. Nearly complete array of diagnostic tests. Rugged design with soft edges. Includes hard case and SD card. Reasons to avoid. 1 run on battery power. No touchscreen